how to use Valorant Practice Mode. First, you want to simply open the Valorant game, and inside the Valorant game, if you are just logging into your account, you would be immediately thrown into this training ground over here. And inside your training ground, you'd be able to do your practice over here, like with your gun practices, and you'd be able to shoot targets over here. You'd be able to complete your overall practices over here, and once you have done that, what you'd be able to do is, if you have completed all of the challenge over here, you'd be able to move on to the real game over here. Once this tutorial is already completed over here, you'd be able to shoot target on the practice mode. However, if you want to access the practice mode after you have completed this over here as well, you'd be able to do so from the home screen. You want to simply select your game mode to practice, and you'd be able to enter the practice mode over here later on the game as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.